even though the current i8 hasn't lived up to the sporting intentions BMW had for it, that apparently hasn't put the German luxury brand off of high-dollar hybrid sports cars. Development of the next i8, we're a fan of calling it the i8M, considering it should represent a significant performance improvement over the current model, is underway, and BMW's Vision M Next concept from mid-2019 is proof. A massive increase in power, a longer all-electric driving range, updated styling, and a more capable chassis are all expected to separate the i8M from the model it will ultimately replace. NoorCars has compiled a review of the 2024 BMW i8 to determine whether or not you should purchase it, as well as which trim level is the best. What's new for 2024? The i8M, or whatever BMW decides to call its next-generation hybrid sports car, will be all new for the 2024 model year. We expect to find out more as we get closer to the car's on-sale date, which is predicted to be sometime in 2023 as a 2024 model. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2023 BMW i8 estimation price start from $160,000 for coupe trim and $180,000 for roadster trim. Without knowing how the i8M will be equipped or what options may be available, it's hard to recommend a particular model. We expect the i8M to be offered in both a fixed-roof coupe body style as well as a ragtop roadster, similar to the current model's lineup. Engine, transmission, and performance. The i8M's plug-in hybrid powertrain is anticipated to follow the same basic setup as the current i8, which means an electric motor driving the front wheels and a mid-mounted gasoline engine and electric motor for the rear wheels. In lieu of the i8's turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder gas engine, BMW has said the new car will offer a turbocharged 4-cylinder. The company also claims a total system output gas and electric power combined of 591 horsepower, which is far more than the i8's 369 horsepower output. This uprated powertrain will help the i8M compete with rivals such as the Acura NSX, Lexus LC500H, and Polestar 1. Range, charging, and battery life. The current i8's 18-mile electric driving range is unimpressive to say the least. BMW has been mum on details such as battery size, but said electric driving range for the Vision M Next concept was a claimed 62 miles. That means either BMW's engineers found a way to squeeze a lot more miles out of the current car's 11.6 kWh battery pack, or they found space for a much larger unit. It's almost certainly the latter. More information will be available regarding the i8M's battery, range, and charging capability closer to the car's on-sale date. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA has not tested the i8M or released estimates for its fuel consumption, which is not surprising since the car doesn't exist yet. In addition to improving electric driving range, we're expecting the i8M to offer slightly better fuel economy ratings than the current i8, despite an anticipated improvement in acceleration and driving performance. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Little is known about the i8M's cabin so far, but we are hoping BMW addresses the i8's difficult ingress and egress by equipping the new car with front hinge doors and a lower side sill to make the interior more easily accessible. Like the current car, the i8M will be BMW's playground for future styling and should feature unique materials, cutting-edge features, and eye-popping designs. Storage and cargo capacity will likely remain limited, but a front trunk may make an appearance to provide additional luggage space. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and leave your comment.